So let us take one question from exercise 10.4, question number 5. In this question we are given three girls, Resma, Salma and Mandeep are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meter drawn in a park. Resma throws a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep and Mandeep to Resma. If the distance between Resma and Salma and between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter each, what is the distance between Resma and Mandeep? So in this question, here I have drawn the diagram. You can see where I have taken the position of Resma, Salma and Mandeep as R, S and M. Okay. Let R, S and M be the position of Resma, Salma and Mandeep. We are given that distance between Resma and Salma is equal to distance between Salma and Mandeep, and that is equal to 6 meter. Now we are given that radius of the circle is radius of the circle, it is equal to, we know it is OR is equal to OS and it is also OM and all are 5 meter. It is given to us. And what we have to find out here? We shall find out RM, distance between Salma, Resma and Mandeep. This is what we need to find out. Let us draw a perpendicular from O to RS and let it be P. Now, we know that a perpendicular drawn from a center of a circle to a chord bisects the chord. So, OP bisects RS, right? Now, we know that OP is perpendicular to PS. This is by construction. So, OP bisects RS. That means RP, it is equal to PS. That means RP is equal to what? It will be 3 centimeter, right? So, RP equal to 3, as RS equal to 6. So, RP, it will be equal to 3 meter, not centimeter. It is 3 meter. Okay. So, RP equal to RS by 2, that is 6 by 2 equal to 3 meter. Now, once we find the value of RP, we can find the value of OP, okay, by using Pythagoras theorem. So, in triangle OR, Pythagoras theorem, we have OP square, it is equal to OR square minus RP square. That means OP equal to square root of OR square minus RP square, and that is equal to 5 square minus 3 square. So, we have we can find the value as 4 meter. It is 25 minus 9. So, minus will be 16, square root will be 4 meter. So, OP is equal to 4 meter. Now, what is the area of triangle ORP? Now, we shall find the area of triangle ORP. We know RS and we know OP. So, by using our formula of area of triangle, area of triangle ORP, it is equal to half into base into height, and base is here RS and height is OP, and that is equal to half into 6 into 4, and this gives us 12, right? 12 meter square. Now we got the area of triangle ORP. Now let us shift our thinking to triangle ORSP. Now look at quadrilateral ORSP. It is not triangle. So ORSP, you can see OR is equal to OM and RS is equal to SM. That means it is a kite, right? ORSM is a kite. ORSM is a kite. Okay. That means the diagonals of a kite, OS and RM, these are the diagonals of kite. And also it is perpendicular, and also the diagonal which is common to R, this is RM, this diagonal which is common to both the isosceles triangle, it is bisected by other diagonal. Okay, it is bisected by other diagonal. So from this we can say that ON, it is perpendicular to RM, and also RN, it is equal to NM. Okay. So ON is perpendicular to RM and RN is equal to NM, right? That means RN, it is perpendicular to the base OS of triangle ORS. Now again we shall come to triangle ORS. Once we know that it is perpendicular and also RN and NM are equal, we shall again come back to triangle ORS. Now area of triangle ORS, we shall find it again. We have already found it, and by using other method, that means by taking OS as base and RN as perpendicular or height, again we shall find the area. So area of triangle ORS, it is equal to half into OS into ORN, and we know area equal to 12 meter. It is already known to us, 12 meter square. Now it is equal to half into OS. OS we know it is 5. OS is 5 because it is radius, and we don't know RN, and from here we can find the value of RN. Okay, RN will be equal to 12 into 2 by 5, and that will give 4.8 meter. So RN is equal to 4.8 meter. That means RM will be equal to 2 into 4.8, that is equal to 9.6 meter. So we have found the value of RM, and that is what we are given as question, and this is the distance between Resma and Mandip. So distance between Resma and Mandip is 9.6 meter. Okay, so distance between Resma and Mandip is 9.6 meter.